performing treatment with CyberKnife, the patients have to wear a simple mask and a more soft mask that is not invasive, and the patient have not anesthesia, so is awake, and he knows in every moment what is happening around him. So for the patient, this is important, and this is important also that is a day hospital, a sort of day surgery. So patient come here, perform the treatment, and the evening he sleep in his bed. So it's very important because it's not in hospital. That is is not a good environment for a patient that have to face a pathology like a neurosurgical pathology. So this is the enormous advantage that, in my opinion, the CyberKnife gives to the patients and for the treatments of the patient neurosurgical pathologies. I can say that I can observe an improvement of the interest of the patient in this kind of technology, because it's not invasive and it's permit to face the pathology with another spirit, with another intentions, and this is in some cases a good alternative to neurosurgery, to the operative room, and this is encouraging for the patient. So yes, I observe a lot of interest of the patient in these years in these techniques.